Go ahead.
Everybody expected that the hearing for the application for broadcast would go on today, but that didn't go on. Could you tell us exactly what happened and why that didn't transpire?
Well, let's begin with the positives. We're very happy that tremendous progress was made today with the pre-hearing session. As you could see, we've settled the issues, narrowed them down to very definite constitutional and statutory issues, which we need the court to determine. We've also dealt with the issue of reconciliation and streamlining of documents. The parties have agreed to work together and report back by Tuesday on the documents so that tendering of documents will be seamlessly done. Then thirdly, which comes to this issue of the motions, you could see that we served the other parties the motion for the televising of the proceedings. They explained here that they are still in the process of filing their replies. Therefore, we could not proceed without their input. So we don't want to anticipate their response. That's why the matter and this motion and other motions have all been adjourned to Thursday next week. Definitely on Thursday, every party would have filed his replies, and then this motion, this very critical motion, which they admit is very fundamental, the hearing will take place on Thursday, the 18th day of May, 2023. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.